So talking about data, you have probably a lot of sensors that are bringing data from all over the place, satellites, spacesuits, what have you, and also a lot of vendors perhaps working together with NASA to put all this information together. Where do you see the security threats in that sort of a scenario?
Well, when you have many different entities, many different contracts, many different programs that are trying to build out a system, you have very different ways of looking at risk. From a contractual perspective, you may have a requirement for intellectual property, so you may not want to share information, which may have a major dependency or impact on how you look at risk or how you look at data in a different data repository. Right. What I'm finding is it's not really about the applications, it's really about understanding where all that data is and really understanding what you want to do with that data. So I look at it from a three-tiered model. You got to know what data you're collecting, regardless of what you're going to do with it.
Right.
Then you have to figure out, well, how are you using that data? So that's your information management piece. And then you really need to start looking at, well, what do you want to do with that information, which is your knowledge management piece. Right. And so what I'm finding is we're really, really having a tough time because, you know, NASA is over 50 years old. We have a lot of data. Where is all that data? So looking at it from a phased approach, looking at projects that we can really focus on what the outcomes and the impacts, positive impacts can be, has been the right way that we have moved forward with these data sets.